Y'all, I got footage with both cameras, man. So we on the GoPro. So I'm just starting with this camera right here, y'all. So it's gonna be footage on both cameras, man. Y'all know how we do it, man. You know how we do it, man. My boy over here getting up close footage. That GoPro show better. My boy up here getting the up close footage of that right there, man. But you know, shit, we outside, man. Yeah. Yeah, we outside. Hold this, bro. Hold this on them cords. Hold it on this cord. Right. Stay on that side. Yeah.
Yeah, y'all bear with me. I gave my brother Esther camera, man, so he not too familiar with the camera, as y'all can see. You know, he need a little brushed up, but I still give him respect, man, for helping me and for coming out here holding the camera a little bit, trying. You understand me? But like you say, I see I came a long way, so you know, hey, but yeah.
Zoom in, huh? How you zoom in?
Yeah. Gotta give me another good cameraman, but you know, I could have cut it out, but you know, it is what it is. He trying. This is his first time, I guess, holding the camera. Everybody used to the phones, but when you picking up that camera, it's a whole different ball game. Holding that camera straight and shooting and doing that camera is different from the phone. I tell you that by a long shot. You know, real talk. And this ain't on no tripod or nothing.
Yeah, watch. Yeah. Might tip, might do something. Oh, so he might do something,
But you best believe your boy TB enjoying that lowrider scene, sitting over there on the other side in the cut. You best believe the GoPro get it all. Everything's coming through, everything looking good. On the ball. T-Bone getting it all. Enjoying that lowrider scene. Happy New Year to you all. Much love and respect to you all. Pray we all have a blessed, prosperous new year and a blessed. And we pray this year better than last year. Yes, sir. We outside. 2025. Stay tuned for that GoPro footage. I got it all. This is coming out cold. Stay tuned. I got it, boy. I got this whole shot, boy. Yeah. You understand me? See, it's different angles, you know what I'm saying? It's not the same thing, so they can't say, I'm finna show you a different angle of this. You understand me? Yeah. Cerritos Park, Supernatural Car Club, Public Enemy, and everybody else that showed up at this park. 1/1/2025. We was out there and everything went up live. Wasn't no job. Yeah, on them 13 days we slide. Only the real gonna ride. Disabled lives.
That's all.
Matter too. From me to you, low riding is what we do. Can't stay the.
Okay, I got 45.
Man.
Yeah, bring that back.
Wow. He said he got the chick.
Yeah, bring that back. You know how you doing, man.
He got the chick for him now. Said he got the chipper right now for him. Said he got the chipper right now for it.
You want to fuck with it for a minute?
On the backside over there.
Oh, for little nephew,
Man,
the
you
camera.
going way
He didn't
around
want it.
here.
I said, you want the cameraman, you want to do your thing, you want to see what you got, you want to do it, you want to do it. So it's all up to me. You know it's okay with me. I'm going to do my thing. We going to film the good time. And the people just living and having a good time. And the Lolos out there looking good, laid to the ground. From up and down. We outside.
You see, how y'all doing? Happy New Year.
Good, thank you. Happy New Year.
Yeah, be careful with. You want to give a shout out? Happy New Year for me. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year 2025, and it's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! Much.
Thank you.
I wish you many more and many blessings.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2025.
Yeah.
I could see clearly now the rain is gone. But no, my eyes ain't deceiving me. That was the president car. We were just looking at the president car. That was the president. They got a 1964.
Watch that car. What's up, loved one? Happy New Year, man. Y'all got them plates. I see y'all.
Plato Plomo.
Yeah, you got to.
1964.
Watch your back.
Hey, buddy,
Watch your back.
you in the way, buddy. You in the camera, buddy. Move,
Yeah,
buddy,
you
move,
like
buddy.
food, eh?
1964. Nice Daytonas on that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Let
a
me get
clean
on this.
machine. Pattern top.
But you know what?
Oh man, we
Go ahead,
getting
boss.
into it.
I'ma
Low
go ahead.
riding, low
I'll be
riding.
over
Hey man, what's
Yeah,
out
do your
there?
thing, yes. I'm finna be
We got
filming,
a
you know me.
big
Do
body
your thing,
broham
bro.
right here. A big body broham. Yes, sir. Look at them lined up on this New Year's Day, man. We got a New Year fire for the New Year. Looking real good.
Yeah.
Hopefully
Likewise,
all
man.
y'all
Thanks,
will,
bro.
cause we all will
Go do your
and we
thing, yeah,
understood.
something to say. Don't go. Go ahead, cause I'm,
What
you know
we
me,
should.
I'm gonna be a minute.
But what we
Come on,
ain't,
Yeah, I'm
and
good.
it's a new year.
'Cause I don't want to do your.
and that's what we ain't gonna do is start off bad. Look it, we got a 1961. And this is a beauty for real.
What's up, player?
What's
This
up, little one?
is
How you doing?
Good.
this
Hanging
is
in
a
there.
beauty.
Likewise, man. Happy New Year, bro.
Hey, Ted. You famous. This is my boy in Indiana. He always watch your video.
Oh, good looking. Good looking, loved one. Happy New Year to you, bro. Out here for another one, man. 2025. Appreciate you, loved one. He up in there.
I've been following you for years, man. Compton for life.
That's what's up, homie. You still here, even though you ain't here right now, bro. You gonna be in there?
He got a big body Cadillac.
Okay, that's what's up, man. I appreciate y'all, man.
All right.
Thanks for that support.
All right.
Yeah.
Now you tell me. Look at that interior. You tell me that ain't saucy, flossy, man. And you know this. Man. Yeah, boy. Oh, I know y'all like, what's wrong with this boy, man? This boy, jolly old boy. What's wrong with this
I'm
boy,
going there when I
man?
leave here.
Ain't nobody gonna be there when you get there.
They gone that fast?
I don't know.
What's
I'm
up,
just
Doc?
talking shit. I'm just
Yeah,
talking shit.
I see y'all.
We supposed to be at Woolly Park.
Willie, I'll try to make it there too, but they gonna be
And
gone.
we going when you get there? Okay.
I was trying.
All right. Hey, you gonna do what you can do.
Do what we can do.
That's right.
Appreciate you, loved one.
All right. I see you out there.
Yeah, John, look at my homie, man. Supernatural. What's up, little one?
Where your car at?
Over there, I parked on the street down there. Hey, that's you in that black rag? You in that today?
No. Wifey drove her car today.
Who called you? You just working on it?
Which one?
That black.
Oh no, that's he had just bought it, and he's like trying to do some little up.
Happy New Year. How y'all sisters doing? All right? Good seeing y'all, man. Happy New Year. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. We gonna go get to the other thing. All right, loved one. All right, loved one. Yeah.
Man, we gotta have a sense of humor with this shit, man. We gotta bring laughter to this stuff, man. You feel me? Like, you know, like I didn't mean it, but we gotta have laughter sometime. I know it, man. We always take things serious because things are serious, man. But at the end of the day, man, sometimes it's good to laugh, man. You know what I'm saying? It ain't all about frowns and the frowns and ups and downs. You know what I mean? Gotta have good spirits, man. Laughter.
Then we gonna walk back there in that parking lot and get what's fun. Shit, man. Happy New Year to you, loved one. We made it for another, man. 2025, man.
For a whole another 12 months, man.
Yeah.
See what happened,
Lowriders.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
I think we'll make it.
Yeah, I think we made it this far, bruh.
We carry yourself the way you've been carrying yourself, or either in a better way, you gonna make it.
I like that. Real talk.
Gonna make it, bro.
I like that. That's positivity that we need to hear.
I am today. I changed my life.
Yeah.
And the style I was living in. Should have been dead long time ago. Damn near was dead.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Man, thank God, man. I appreciate you.
Here for a purpose, man.
Man, you know, y'all my OG, y'all my mentors, bro. You know, I come up, you know what I mean? You know, y'all paved the way for us, bro. You know what I mean? And I respect y'all highly still, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that, loved one.
I'll let my boy right quick.
All right.
All right, you going,
No
man?
doubt, no doubt, TP. Yeah. PE right here, boy, lined up looking good, man. PE out here doing everything looking good, man. I had to get a couple of their prize winners, man. You know what I'm saying? Put it on the map for them one time, you know, because they got some flawless cars. You know what I'm saying? They standards is high. They setting some standards right now. You know what I mean? PE setting some standards right now. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all. Hey. Hey. GoPro went up, y'all. GoPro officially out. Yeah, but I can't get back there. I can't get back there. You gotta be on that sidewalk back there. Yeah. Yeah, back there right there. I gotta get up out of here now. Yeah, this is my boy Trey right here. Right. Yeah. Play. This is my boy Trey right here. How you doing, loved one? All right?
Where you going, man?
Happy New Year, man. Yeah, thank you. Look at that shit.
everybody, man. More blessings to you, man. Another year, man.
All right.
Yeah. We're gonna be a better year this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you gonna
Appreciate
put the low right out?
Right down there.
You hungry? Okay.
Yeah. What y'all got?
I'm gonna go give me a hot link.
I'm looking for a chicken link or something.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I just talked to boss. Boss just called me. Did he? He said he on his way. Okay. He on his way. Richard said she ain't coming. She ain't coming. I think I got a shortage in my shit, man.
Yeah, I do too. I got a shortage too. Look at that bug. Oh, I thought he was hitting the switch. Hey, man. Hey, stop playing. Hey, stop playing like that, man. I thought you was hitting the switch, man. I thought you had hydraulics hit side to side, man. Stop playing like that, man. It look clean, though. What's up, little one? Look at you. What's up, Ron? Vice President, my boy, the hub out here.
Happy New Year to everybody. We out here.
Appreciate you, little one.
All day, love you, boy.
I like them jackets, man. Turn around, let me get
with me. I make them all day.
I ain't forgot about you. Yeah, I need you. See my shirt out in my hat. I need one.
Any color you want.
Yeah.
I'll make any color you want. Just get with me, man. You got my number?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I got you. But what you need to do is get them, get them now.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna touch bases with you.
Do that.
Hey, he do them, man. He my boy. He make the jackets.
Oh, you made the jacket. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you doing great? All right. Yeah. Doing great.
All right.
Citroen. Oh, Citroen.
Right there.
Citroen.
That's it. You got a chick on you up in my right.
So you from there? You got it?
Windmill, chocolate, wooden shoes, finger in the dike.
Nice, man.
Oh, thank you, sir.
What type of motor in here?
Huh?
What kind of motor in
It's
here?
got a 2-cylinder motor, 4-stroke 2-cylinder.
Yeah. It's gas, right?
Gas, yeah.
Where the motor, in the front or the back?
In the front. Everything's up front. Tranny, motor, disc
Wow. Like a regular
brakes.
car.
Easy to work on. Want me to show you?
Please.
Yeah. One 2-cylinder.
Thank you, man.
Air cooled.
Yeah.
Got a crack port.
Yeah.
And the battery goes down like a crack.
Yeah, I appreciate you, boss, man. Thank you, man. Never seen it before. Appreciate you, boss. Nice to meet you. Terry Bones. Join the Lowrider team, YouTube. One nation, y'all.
Which one you probably not gonna let them know? They're not gonna know if you like it.
Look, he got the OG Pee Wee swing, man.
Yeah, man.
What's up, little one?
62, baby.
62?
The master car.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
1962 swing, y'all. Get out of here, man. That's dope, bro. That's classic right there, bro.
The 2-speed kickback.
2-speed kickback. What was the first year they made swing, you know?
Ooh, man. I got a 50-something too.
You got a 50-something swing?
Yeah.
Wow. That's dope, bro. I like that though, man. Looking good. Nice sprockets on it. Yeah, man, they see it. Appreciate you, little one.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, we got them beautiful ones. Cover footage, y'all. We cover footage. I got these on the GoPro, but we cover footage. We cover it. We here. We covering it, man. We cover footage. All right, man. Yeah, we still out here getting. Boss man, I get it right there. I'll get y'all, I gotta get that car. Look. Look at my boy, I see you, little one. All right. Likewise, Happy New Year, man.
Hey, on me, look, I'm a high control, so you ain't gotta worry about it. That's all you. I'm high like a motherfucker.
I might see Mikey. She don't even know I'm in this bitch, but she might be mad at me.
All right, little young.
I ain't saying nothing.
Looking good, man. Yeah.
Oh, look.
What's up, boy?
What's on?
Good, man. Hanging in there, man.
Right. I saw this car on the internet the other day. Yeah, I got one. I was tripping off
Happy
that.
New Year, boy.
Same-
I see y'all. Yeah.
Tripping off the third light.
Big go.
Yeah.
I had to do that.
Watch your back a little bit, boy. Let me get that car.
Right. I've been looking for these fucking cars now too, man. But they always missing the little shit, you know what I'm saying? They, man. Yeah, they hard to find.
Taking the light
I
right.
still got a full day to go. I don't even just go for a New Year tip. I don't even drink. Not like that, though. You trying to knock them up with your ass on, man. I got this New Year. You know what I'm saying?
Getting that footage on.
Yeah. I'm finna get up out of here.
Cut dog. That's why I sold on. Yeah, get them like that. Yeah.
All right, little one.
All right. The battery. Geronimo. Oh, Geronimo, look at it. They got the real Copy CDG out here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell T-Bone ass dude.
Big Frank, what's up, little one? Happy New Year, man. I'm in a Lincoln. I'm in a look at that fur. I like that. I like that fur. You see, I say that fur she got. I like that. Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, I'm in a Lincoln. Look at my OG right here. Look at Clay. Look at see you, little one. Yeah. Get this Cali. Come on, man.
On the ground pounding, ain't it?
Yeah. The whole show. You know what I'm saying?